AI agents, so I'm pretty sure you've come around this term a lot lately, and it's been kind of the buzzword, if you say. And on the other side, we've got no code. It's one of those terms that you've heard me blabbering about a lot. Now, when we combine the two, AI agents and no code, think about the power that you'll get in your hands, whether you're a business analyst or a power user, the endless possibilities and opportunities that you'll have within your hands. Now, if we take a quick example, let's talk about having a purchase request app with approval workflows tied to your JD Edwards ERP. Now, a simple prompt, and you'd be getting an output of a ready to use enterprise level application. So you're not just building software, you're actually orchestrating business outcomes through intelligent conversations, which is a whole different level. And if this is something that may spark your interest, we'll be having our workshop on May 15th, and you can catch the link to register within the description, and we'd love to see you guys around.